Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Thursday. So we have a 3-layer cake. The first layer is our routines, so let's talk about them. We're going to get up in the morning. We're going to do all of our morning routines, which include ourselves, our children, and any chores that we might have. The second thing that we're going to do, if we're staying at home, is start the laundry and go through 1 inch of paper. The third thing that we're going to do, if we're staying at home, is go right into our basic weekly plan. Thursdays is errand day. That means groceries, that means post office, that means library, that means dropping something off or picking something up for someone else. It means dropping things, your giveaways, out of the back of your car. That's what today is. Okay, if you are working, let's stop for just a second. If you are working outside of the home, then you're going to do your morning routines, just like we talked about, and then you're going to go to work knowing everybody at home is safe and sound and at school, right? Next thing you're going to do is on your lunch and breaks, you're going to think about that basic weekly home blessing hour. So you've already done your sheets, you've done the dusting, you've done the glass. Today we're going to empty all the garbage cans. That takes just a couple of minutes. You run through the house, put new liners in, take the little ones out, throw them away. That's it. And you can delegate that duty. Just make sure you inspect what you expect. And that's it. So you've gotten that done. So when you come home, you're going to start your laundry. You're going to go through 1 inch of paper. You're going to make supper. While supper is holding on the stove, you're going to run, go gather your garbage and get it out. The other thing that you're going to do is spend about 10 to 15 minutes in either the bathroom or the other room, whatever you've chosen, and do a little deep cleaning in there, or if you haven't already, decluttering. Remember, to declutter is to put things in 3 boxes or bags, throw away, give away, put away. When the timer stops, 15 minutes, then you're going to complete the process by putting things away, taking the giveaway to the back of the car, taking the garbage out to the garbage can, the throwaway, okay? All right, now, after dinner, we're gonna all come together and do our after dinner routine, which is cleaning the kitchen, and then we have our before bed routines with the children and ourselves. And sprinkled along in here, we have our laundry. So you're gonna listen for it, put it in the dryer, listen for it, take it out, fold it, and put it away. That's like a 7-minute process. It's not done until you take it out, fold it, and put it away. The other thing we're going to do is we are going to do 3 clutter checks. So first thing in the morning, before you go to work or before the kids go to school, we're going to do a quick clutter check of ourselves and our children, looking around in all the rooms, upstairs, downstairs, wherever people live, to make sure they haven't left clutter. You're going to inspect what you expect. When they do that morning routine, you're available to make sure they really do wipe the sink. They really do hang up their towel. They really do wash their face. They really do brush their teeth and get their clothes on and put their dirty clothes in the dirty clothes hamper. That's your job. And they've made their bed. That's your job, is to make sure that they do it. You're not doing it. It's harder. You have to make sure that they do and not be critical of their talents, okay? And then you've got a clutter check if you're staying at home and the kids are with you after lunch or before nap time or after nap time or after when they first come home from school, when they dump everything, quick clutter check. If you're working, it's when you first come home from work. Before you do, you check your mail, you put your laundry in, you do a clutter check, and then you start supper. And then the last clutter check is right before bed as part of the before bed routine, where the kids pick up their toys, pick up the things they've been playing with, pick up their shoes, make sure their backpacks are by their front door, their projects are collected, their homework is, everything's done. That's your job. Your job is to make sure that they do their job, because they're children. Until they're 18, they're children. Okay, so even though they're older and more responsible, you're still gonna do that check. It doesn't mean you're gonna say clutter check to your 17-year-old. You're just gonna go and look and say, hey dude, don't forget your shoes are in the middle of the floor there. Oh, did you get your routines done? Let me see. Yeah, you did. You're awesome. I really appreciate you. Or, you didn't. I'm really disappointed. Go on in there and get that done. And then when they do it, thank you very much. Okay, firm but kind. And that's it. And then the other thing is that you're going to take care of yourself. So you're going to do your before bed routine for yourself. Check your planner morning and evening. Look at the calendar and plan what you're going to wear. If your kids have something special coming up, whatever it is that's required for them, your spouse, your mother, whomever, your dog, whatever, you need to know about it. Also, don't forget about your food. You want to take whatever it is you're going to serve for dinner tomorrow night. If it's a meat and needs to come out of the freezer, it goes in the refrigerator so you can start the thawing process. If you're going to cook in the crock pot tomorrow, make sure you set it out, that kind of thing. Okay, if you have no idea what I'm talking about and you're going cross-eyed, go watch my video, How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. It will explain every step of this and make it so simple. Even I can do it. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.